Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show the file extensions on the Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open your PC that contains, of course, the Windows 11. And of course, if you're a Windows 10 user, you can just go and upgrade into Windows 11 right now and for free. Of course, you can do that, or you can run the installation of Windows 11 into the background of your PC if you want, in the meanwhile, to keep your PC working, or if you're working on it, of course that would be better if you have a good PC, because your PC might be a bit slower, but it's not going to be a big problem or a big deal. So of course, once the installation finishes, you will be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. And when you do that, you'll find yourself with a new Windows 11 on your PC. Of course, you'll not lose any files if you upgrade from 10 into 11. You'll have everything in your PC still. And of course, you'll even have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10. But once you actually get used to it, you will even like it much better than Windows 10. So as you said, is we would like to show the file extensions on the Windows 11. So of course, the first thing that would like to do is just go and open like the file explorer, or yeah, let's just go and open the file explorer for now. And once we open that, of course, there is even a shortcut. If you want to open it, you can just hit the Windows E on your keyboard and that will open it directly. And now let's just go for downloads as an example. So normally you will even have this type option. So as you can see, this type option, what does this type option? It shows you the extension of the file. As you can see, this is an MP3 file. This is an Acrobat documents. This is a file folder. This is a PNG file. But if you want more detail, you would like to go into this view, and of course you would like to go into this show and make sure to select this file name extension. And once you do that, as you can see, every file will be followed by .mp3, .pdf, .pdf, .zip, and that will be actually it. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and goodbye.